Hey you guys, I'm back from work and I'm about to fry me 2 pieces of catfish here and some onion rings. Today went okay at work, didn't do much. Okay, so that's how my day went. So, gotta make sure you pat dry your fish. I'm gonna get some more paper towel over here, and I'm also cooking some onion rings. Okay, I hope you guys can see. My ear is so muffled. Okay, so that's my fish right there that I petted dry. So I'm about to season it with some Andes fish fry. This is my favorite one, you guys. Okay, so hold on. Okay, I got my fish all seasoned, you guys. You can see the fish fry batter. I don't add salt to my seasoning because it's already seasoned. All that damn salt. I like my food while I can enjoy it. Especially a catfish. These look, let me see. These little 2 small pieces cost me $4.41. And see, I'm the only one that eats seafood in the house. Fish and stuff like that. Yeah. And just think, you trying to feed a bunch of folks. Okay, I'm finna test my oil, you guys, and see, is it hot? So that means my oil is ready to go. So, and I have my oil over here for my onion ring. And shake the excess fish off, you guys. I'm sorry, excess seasoning. Okay, guys, my fish is almost done. Woo. My onion rings. Okay, you guys, my fish is all ready and my onion rings. So, give me some onion rings. So, once again, I hope your day is going well. I love onion rings. I'm gonna get me a piece of fish and lay it on this bread. Yes, indeed. And that's what I'm having to drink here. Here's my little cup here. Okay, you guys, I put a dollop of tartar sauce. This is the best tartar sauce. I really like that. It's sort of pricey, but try it out, you guys. I got mine at Kroger's. And here is my hot sauce. I'm about to dab on this fish as well. Okay. And I got a dollop of ketchup here for my onion rings. Okay, guys. But thank you for watching. I'm about to eat. Bye bye for now.